To ensure full functionality of class machines and software, you need to have the appropriate licenses activated. These licenses unlock machine capabilities and software modules that optimize performance and productivity. Under Products, you can manage all machines, terminals, and their licenses, such as Machine Connect license or data volume for correction signals on the steering system. In the Service section of the Machine Details, you can also view your machine's licenses. In the list you see all your connected machines. In the Report section, you'll get a notification if a license is about to expire or an available license hasn't been activated yet. You can also view these in the Service widget on your dashboard to monitor licenses that are soon expiring or already expired, so you always have a clear and easy overview. To view more details for a machine's licenses, click the small drop-down arrow. You'll see all licenses for that machine, including the name, a description, the validity period, and the status. If you want to know more about what's included in a license, click Show More. The status is shown with a colored key. Green for active, orange for expiring soon, red for expired, and gray for available but not yet started. If a license hasn't started yet, you can activate it here. If a license is expiring soon or has already expired, you can click Request New License to see your dealer's contact details and get in touch. Similar to the Products tab, the Farm Management tab shows your farm management licenses with their validity period and status. Booking refers to the day the license was purchased. The validity period only starts once the license has been activated. To learn more about the functional scope of each license, click Show More. If you haven't booked a farm license, for example, the Field Connect license, you can see the available features and click the green Ask Your Dealer button to contact your dealer and upgrade your license. Farm licenses are automatically extended annually, so you don't need to order them. You'll receive a notification via email and in Class Connect when a license is about to expire and be renewed. If you don't want to prolong the license, you can unsubscribe from it. Now you have an overview of the license management in Class Connect.